A survey was taken of the value of homes in a county, and it was found that the mean home value was $165,000 and the median home value was $125,000. Which of the following situations could explain the difference between the mean and median home values in the county? Let's define these two values, mean and median. Mean stands for average. And the way we derive this value, we need to add together values of all homes and then divide it by the number of homes. And this way we will get the number, which is the average value of a home. Median is a slightly different concept. While a lot of people may confuse mean and median, because under more standard situations, these two values would be very close. Let's define what median actually means. Median means that we line up all the values from the lowest to the highest and pick the value in the middle. In our problem, that value of the house in the middle is $125,000, which means there are as many more expensive houses on the market as there are less expensive ones. Under a standard situation, like I said, one might expect that the mean value and median value would be about the same. So let's take a look at such an example. Let's pick a certain sample size of 7 values. And for that to be the case, the ones that are cheaper should be cheaper by about the same amount as the ones that are more expensive than our median value. So look at this sample size. If you are running the numbers, our mean value and median value would be the same because these differences on the either end cancel out. The problem that we're given, however, doesn't have it this way. We're told that the mean value is actually higher than the median value. So let's try to understand how it works. So something violates this order that we looked at initially. And for the mean value to be higher, we might suspect that the pull from the more expensive houses is stronger than that from the less expensive houses. It's quite obvious that the less expensive houses would lower our mean value, and the more expensive houses would increase that mean value. So let's test this theory. Let's keep 125 as a median and the cheaper houses with the same kind of rate of declining by $10,000. But instead of using the same rate for the more expensive houses, let's increase them at a higher rate. And looking at that, we can actually already sense that our theory is correct. So we can run the numbers and confirm it, but to me, visually, it's quite obvious. Now let's look at the answer choices offered. A, the homes have values that are close to each other. And I don't like this answer because if they were very close to each other, I would expect both median and mean value to be very close as well, but they're separated by $40,000. So I don't like answer choice A. Answer choice B, there are a few homes that are valued much less than the rest. We suspect that quite the opposite is happening, that the few homes that are pulling it are on the more expensive side. So let's defer this one and look at answer choice C. There are a few homes that are valued much more than the rest. Okay, so that kind of fits with our theory, and this is a very good answer. And let's see what the answer choice D states. Many of the homes have values between $125,000 and $165,000. So this answer choice is somewhat confusing. It's not very clear how it actually affects the difference. And answer choice C fits perfectly with our conclusion. So our answer is answer choice C.